There is a more clap and I don't want clap. Me, I get on that time. Country when all of us is suffer and me when I want for problem. For you can't do me anything. See, my career is built on God, not on Babalawo. So if you don't want clap, you're on your own. Nothing concerns me and you. This country, I don't change my prayer point. I don't change them. The prayer when I pray now, they say, oh God, nobody will heal down my progress. When I never get up. Now let few people get that joke. Nobody will heal down my progress. Hey, Lagos, I'm so not get intelligent joke. They still they think calm, they never get up. You got me? Some people got me, right? You got it, right? This country, as I talk to you, Guinness Book of Records, they contact Nigeria. They are as confused as ever. They never verify 100 hours. Another person don't come with water. You know where they pay me? Okay, why? You know where they pay me? Now they get you. But I forget what they get to do for election. When they get the pre-result, election closes. The same Ekiti now that won't go contest. Leave I don't win. 120 hours. But wait, the game I don't understand. When they start to fry Tomo, how many of them they say that get a cook? As I recently when I check, she don't have microwave fruit. I don't know where that girl they go. Jesus. And all these food vendors, I don't unfollow many of them. They don't make heaven. Do you know that when food vendors are making their videos, you feel like you can cook the food from the video? And the new one they do now, they are the people that do the voiceover. So you hear something like, hi guys, this is me, Chef Choma. So this morning, hello, this table of content. I beg, wanna calm down first. Table of content. Mokama. I beg, calm down. I know say you get money. You get one follow you now, isn't a responsible person you follow. I've been at your wife. He's not responsible, I know him. You see this guy for somewhere, will not go there. I won't crack joke. You know they wear glasses. Now they tell you no man will like evil. This time now, ask him, are you married? He said, depending on my location.
I got some stunner shades on, Prada on my back.
This is what? And they talk of food vendors. Food vendors, they are one of the most worst people you can follow online. Food vendor will make you feel like say the food, you feel cook. They will start with that their voice over when they let me verse. Hi guys, my name is Chef Chili. Today I wanted to eat cocoa, perry. The name of the food no ever exists. Cocoa, perry, jollof. So cook cocoa, perry, jollof. So this is me. Why not use that word? This is me. I'm in the market trying to get the meat, trying to get this, trying to get this. Now they will get back home. They will now say, guys, I'm back from the market. Let's see how we make this food. You, Momo, you say you'll learn. You're going to look the video. So, okay, when you want to start cooking pepper jollof jollof, what you first of all do is you steam your oil. While your oil is hot, you put onions, you put pepper. The next thing you go hear now, who's your guy? You go see dust, loud, weed, everything. After 15 minutes, you're here. So, guys, that's how you make cocoa pepper jollof. Please like and follow me and comment. It's you that will follow yourself. Follow you anywhere. Now, my guys come here and talk of our new president. No, what did Tinubu me when they shout at me local? Now, no understand, I now understand. Not be saying me local for me to rule Nigeria. No! And me local my turn to do na back. Person when enter office, they ask and say, sir, for your first 100 days, what will you do? He said, we will hit the ground and start running. As I speak to them, I don't hit the man, don't hit the ground. I will never let you. And I say tomorrow, you might address us. The ground when you won't hit tomorrow. Lagos and I will run. When I never say that Baba don't come with committee. Some of them are he's not using his manifesto. He's using the big manifesto. Let him use any manifesto available. Far as Nigeria change. The man will just check, what manifesto is there? So what did he plan to do? He says, sack CBN governor, sack him now. He did that man declare subsidy over. Have you said, now man of God, they talk to Nigeria. You don't see the voice of the guy talk. He talk like prophet. Subsidy is gone.
What have you done to me?
The woman he talk says subsidy is gone. As I watch out for TV, one voice just come. I just hear, you are a bad boy. You are a city bad boy. Tinubu never start. When he start, all of us go run, go burn the Republic. DJ, Ilan, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, when Funny Bone was talking, because we don't get time, he said we should celebrate Nigerian artists. Many of them don't make us proud. Imagine this new cat.
Uncle, please tell us a story.
You don't know your father. So these new cats, they are really meowing well. I think Bonner Boy just meowed in this thing. Very good one. Gone are those days when Nigerian artists, they just sing song for singing sake. Now they go right. I did a research and I discovered that two things they inspire artists to sing. Number one, Igbo. Number two, God. But Igbo, they walk past God. Because if not be Igbo, how could human being go sit down for studio, they allow, see Mary, see Jesus, see Mary, see... Where did they go? Now Igbo! Listen to Patorank. Patorank, you know, they smoke. But everybody when you're around, they smoke. Now if they listen to Patorank song, you discover, say, Igbo for the song. Listen to that song when he sing. Make I tell you waiting happen for Abule. He get one place on that song, he can say, AJ boys that they like to throw away. Bah, bah, bah. I can't say when AJ boys don't throw away, we suppose run. The next line went on, we just having fun. Una don't smoke. For where they don't shoot gun, all of us are supposed to reach us. Another one when Patorank sing, listen where you go, yeah, you go. You get that song. Celebrate me. Hold on. Celebrate me. Now when I day alive. That first line, play the first line.
If I fail, then go laugh.
Hold on, listen. If I fail, they go laugh me. No, you go. That lyrics now ain't right on. But you see the second lyrics, see what it really happened. In the studio, with over 300 boys. Because if you don't see a Nigerian artist they record, it be like market. Now why if you say if they hear their song, you say, Baba, how this guy taking this thing? Not be him. Now one is Bobby and when they smoke colos. Now why if they sing the line, you say, on colos, on colos, on colos. This line enter. That second line, no be Patoranki. Now one guy went there back. Now the guy call him Pato. Sing that your first line. Now Pato say, if I fail, then go laugh me. He say, sing him again. If I fail, then go laugh me, sing him again. If I fail, then go laugh me, sing him, they come. If I fail, he say, Pato, now your mama bath you. Now play the second line of the song. Blam.
Now my mama now him back.
Hold on. Lagos, if they born Pikin, who's supposed to bath him? Hold on. If not be Igbo. Igbo. He get one self. You get that sugar cane home. Show me a jigger, let me see. Igbo there inside that place. Go that place of the song where they put, show me a jigger, let me see. And let me tell you the woman that is.
Show me a jigger, let me see.
Listen,
and let me see the woman that is. I put a couple $1,000 on your wrist.
Listen. Lagos, listen.
I never seen this kind, baby. They do so kind.
Listen.
You know I'm not just trying to get laid, cause I know some kind.
Listen,
do it for the right baby. Make I fire you with my machine gun. 16 rounds.
DJ, hold on. Make I fire you with my machine gun. 16 rounds. Imoni, do you do 16 rounds? 16 rounds. Person never clear container finish na 16 round in one day.
If you ask me.
I bet hold on. Mr. Ned. God bless you, sir. This one's are they sell property when you don't know where you did. One idiot when I just come this Lagos, I never stay 1 month. He said own a land in the heart of Lagos for 2 million. In the heart. People they do real estate for Lagos. When I get mine though. Let me teach you how I bought a 5-bedroom semi-detached with 45 million, paying 15 naira every day.
Sir. Imagine life without no money. You go suffer.
Hola! The idiot went tell me say make I pay 2 million. I paid 2 million finish. See wahala. After 2 weeks now I call and say I want to see my land. He say I wait. He say I Tuesday when I want to go. My mind not tell me say land where they travel go far. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, time no day. I need to go. There is a song that Kiss Daniel sang. I love the song so much. Wake up, collect your money. You guys know the song, right? If you don't go Catholic here, man, see your hand. Catholic church people, glory to Jesus. I love Catholics. That same song we give out to Catholics, made us sing. And you know, say Catholic songs now opera. Catholic songs that they start with Nemo. That's how Catholic songs be. I go Catholic church, I don't know say the door close. And they wait me to share grace. This same song when Kiss Daniel sing Buga, we gave it to Catholics to sing. And as something like this, they sing very simple and sound. We had alto, tenor, bass, soprano, and co. Now, DJ, play the opera. Hold on. Play the one they give you. They don't give you. I don't sack my manager. How many DJ did it? Hey, I don't tell my manager I mean no they smoke. He don't smoke, you know they see. Oh. Have you seen it? DJ Kessler, have you seen it? All right. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I do this and I sign bros, I greet you, sir. Well done, sir. God bless you. DJ, play 'em. Now, Catholics, they won't sing Buga, the same Buga by Kiss Daniel. You're going to hear something like this. Just listen. Ancient and Modern 422. Buga by brother Kiss Daniel. Listen. Don't sleep, wake up and collect your money. Don't sleep, wake up and collect your money. Now you're going to hear the praise. You don't walk, you don't try. You're supposed to be jai. You don't walk, you don't try. You're supposed to be jai. Now you're going to hear the soprano. It's going to come like this. Now you're going to hear Otto. When I land softly. When I land softly on a soft floor. You guys are the backup, so you sing with me now. Let me see you. Let me see you. Lagos, good night. My name is Kevin Sapp. I love you all.